Hey everyone, this is me Kaushiki. You are watching my channel and today's video is all about the hair and skin problems which arises in monsoon season, and this video is not only for the women and the young ladies. This video about the men, about the women and of course about the kids. So if you are a parent of a little tiny boy or a girl, then do watch this video because it's a very important video and it's a must watch. Share with everyone. If you are new to my channel, this is the first time if you see my video, then don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon of course, because you will get notified about the next video which I'll upload when I'll upload, and be the first viewer of my next video. This is the way you have to subscribe my channel, and here it is.
Touch subscribe and the bell icon and get information regarding health and lifestyle.
So as you know that this channel is all about health and lifestyle, and this video is also about the health. As we know that skin is the largest part of our body, we all know that, but basically we deny that in a very normal way, and it's quite usual in the society. But now I think it's not now, it's like from very beginning we should take care of our skin. And well, nowadays we see that many of them are taking care of their skin, but here I'm gonna say something about the monsoon things, the monsoon problems and the solutions by which if you follow these solutions in you can get cured easily by those problems. So let's get started.
Health and lifestyle.